Hi everybody, here we are with the Shannons Garage Talk session again, and we're here with the great Jim Richards and John Martin on his beautiful Jag. Can you tell us a little bit about your Jag?
It's a car that's based on a 1962 E-Type Jag with a D-Type reproduction body from the 1955 Le Mans era. Period correct as regards everything that's fitted to it and the way that it looks.
Well, I've got to tell you, the car must be good because it's Jim Richards' pick out for the weekend. Jim, can you tell us why?
Well, the first motor race I went to in New Zealand, my dad took me in the 50s, and I'm pretty sure it was Archie Scott Brown was driving a D-Type at that particular meeting, and I've always loved them, and to be honest, the C-Types as well. But when I seen this, it was just, I mean, it's how I would want a car to be built, because it's not totally every little detail correct, but it's correct to what you want to build it yourself. And I was just really impressed with it. It's just a brilliant car.
And it is one of those cars, the more you look at it, the more you get drawn into it. The detail, the period about it, I mean, it's period correct. The colours. Where'd your inspiration for it come from, John?
My family have a pretty good racing history. My father used to race for Lotus back in the late 50s and early 60s. And if anything, that era of the 50s is where I'm drawn to as regards body shapes. And I had a what they call the baby D-Type, which is the Lotus 11. I owned and sold one of those, and this is kind of like the natural progression to get the one that is the poster car of the era.
Now, we were talking about racing from the 50s.